Hi guys, welcome to the Moon in Sagittarius reading. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I have linked the folder for the sun sign readings down below if you haven't checked those out yet and would like to. Now, we know the full moon, so in Scorpio, we're transforming. Secrets are coming to light. Page of Swords. I really feel like this is your energy. You're connecting to inner child and you're learning to tell balanced truths of peace. And I almost feel like these truths are going to change. Wow, that's annoying. Change the energy. From like you feeling hard to like a pillowy softness. It's almost like there's somewhere to land after this. Like even like, you know, sometimes when we tell our truths and in a balanced way, we balance ourselves back out, tell our truths of the dark and the light. It's like we go to bed and we can sleep at night on our pillow again. And that's the feeling I'm getting here, and it's a letting go. And I feel like it allows you to walk through a doorway that was not there before. And follow the synchronicities, follow the signs. This is about connection. The alchemy of lead to gold, right? Like that's what we're here to do. And that's by mastering ourselves and creating balance, restoring balance, right, within our lives. All that noise threw me off. Well, there we go. All right. So we have the Five of Swords with the High Priestess. And I see these cards together. I feel like this is just going within, to do inner child work, inner child healing, and just like being that, you know, that soulful warrior that's just going to tell heart-centered truths and watch the flames burn around them because it needs to be done. And it's like there's an activation there, and there's also like there's like a literal cleansing, like a purification. It's like an antioxidant of the soul. Okay, and of course we know there's always knowledge gained when we go in the dark and we shed the light. We always know we get a piece of information, and there is the secret that's hidden. There's the secret that's hidden. And it's the moon, the pull of the moon, the pull of the moon. And there it is. There's what you're growing, what you're trying to manifest, your vision. And here it actually is coming in. There's the Three of Wands, the manifestation process after the Seven of Coins. This is growth. And there's the new beginning there with the Fool and walking through the door. It's like a whole new space has been created. It's a very beautiful feeling. But I know it wasn't easy. Now let's just see what's being hidden, because we know full moons in Scorpio, something's hidden, right? What's coming to light? And there it is. The Devil. And it's clarified. The Seven of Pentacles. That's what this is about. The moving away from the devil energies in the growth process. Though it may feel frightening, when the Devil card appears in your reading, this card carries an urgent message and must be interpreted with total honesty. The darkness of the Devil card takes the form of addiction, negativity, or materialism. It can indicate an ugly relationship with a person or a substance. Identify this dependency and how it's holding you back. The Devil's hooves are strong and relentless. Their grip will not loosen unless a conscious change is made. Free yourself. Seven of Pentacles is here. A curious card. The Seven of Pentacles shows a period of contemplation and uncertainty. You're looking back at all of your hard work and wondering if it has been a failure or a success. You can't seem to decide. Shouldn't you be reaping more rewards by now? Maybe so. But the mind has control over perception. It's possible your rewards are waiting for you to recognize them, and they're not always monetary. And that's straight up truth. Our abundance is encompassing. It's everything. We pull it all in. See, there's two there. All right. New loves. I give thanks for my new friendships. I welcome new loves, my new acquaintances, knowing that we have intersected as part of a higher plan. I extend my heart and my hand to new people and new events, welcoming them home to their place in my world. Oops. Divine guidance. Divine love guides me. I count and I count on this blessing, reminding myself that Spirit always speaks both to me and through me. I listen with my heart and I hear with clarity. That's beautiful. And that's the pull of the moon here. I want to thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Take care.